Hi, everybody. I'm just partway through at this point grading some papers for my seventh graders. So I've gone through and graded most of what I have so far from sixth grade, and I'll continue to keep grading as I get more stuff in. But I wanted to make a quick video, another kind of tutorial, just on how to. Make sure that when you download a PDF and you work on it, that your hard work does get saved, and that it does end up with your answers on Canvas. Because I've seen a lot of you guys work so hard to get your work done, and then it's not showing up on that PDF, which is super frustrating, I'm sure, for you guys. So one thing I wanted to show you, I have pulled up on my screen here the student view of Canvas, and then I have the website DocHubcom pulled up. I mentioned it a bunch of times, but I never really got to explain in detail how to use it specifically. So I wanted to show you guys what that looked like. So first, I'm going to pull up my tab. Again, it's DocHub.com. What I'm going to do, it says pricing up here, but we're not going to worry about a paid version. I have only used the free version, and that's allowed me to do everything that you guys should be able to do. So hopefully we can use that to work for us. So if you click on sign in with Google, I'm going to click that and then log in really fast. So I clicked log in with Google. I selected my Google account. You can even actually see a student here has submitted some of their work already, which is awesome, through DocHub, which I didn't even know you could do. So that's so awesome for her. But anyway, so let's pretend like we're a student and we are trying to access a document that a teacher, Mr. Minnick, has given us, right? So if you click on new up here, it says import a new document, and it shows where you can drop a file here to work with. So let's go back to Canvas. We're going to go into our modules where everything will be, and we're going to click on the would you rather, because that was the first one that we did. Now, if you click on that and you open it up, the first thing that I've given, that the teacher has given, is the link to the file, right? So you're going to click that to open it. It's from my Google Drive, and it shows up as a preview. And you know it's a preview because you have this black background here. Okay. Now, in the top right, I've said this a bunch of times, but that's the download button, and you remember that because there's a down arrow, right? So if you click on that download button, what happens is the file goes to the bottom left and it kind of chills there for a bit. So let's leave that there. Let's go back into DocHub. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this file and drag it to where it says drop file here. And you'll even see this big blue circle that says drop file to begin upload. So I'm going to do that, and you notice that it uploads pretty quickly, or as quick as your internet will allow. So maybe mine will take forever. But then it pops up here with the document, and it has the answer bubbles already in there, right? So what I could do is I could go ahead and fill this out. I could type my name, right? And my class period, I'll put seventh grade. And let's pretend that I filled out all my answers, okay? Let's pretend that I filled that all out. There's two ways you can do this now. You can go up to the download button, which is what everybody will do, and you can either download it to your computer, or the easier way is that you can download it to your Google Drive. So let's do the Google Drive option because I've talked about the computer before. So you click on Drive, right? You make sure that you remember the file name of it. So maybe I might title this "Would You Rather" in categories 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Okay, and I'm going to click Export to Drive. I'm going to make sure it might ask you to confirm your Google account. Might ask you to allow some permissions. Yada da 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 blah blah blah. Click allow. And now it's saving to Google Drive. And the cool thing is it's going to show you in Drive just where that is. So you can click show in Drive. It'll open up your Google Drive account. And then from in there, right, it's showing you in your Google Drive that your answers have saved. Okay, I'll make a part 2 to this video to show you how to get this part into Canvas. See you soon.